In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Slack. This process is straightforward, but to make sure you accomplish it without any hiccups, I'm here to guide you through each step with detailed instructions. Slack is a handy tool for communication and collaboration, especially in a professional environment. Sometimes you might need to update your profile, perhaps to reflect a name change, or simply to show a more friendly or professional version of your name. Let's dive into how you can do that easily. First, you'll want to open the Slack application on your desktop. If it's not already installed, you can access it through your web browser by going to slack.com and logging in. Once you have Slack open, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where your profile icon, often showcasing your initials or photo, is located. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options related to your account. You'll want to click on Profile and Account. This will take you to your profile screen, where you can see all your current information, such as your display name, full name, and other details that your colleagues can view. Next, you'll notice a small Edit Profile button, typically found on the right-hand side. Give that a click, and it will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Now you're ready to edit your name. In the profile editing screen, you'll find fields labeled as Full Name and Display Name. The full name field is where you should put your official name, while the display name field can be more informal or include your preferred nickname. Whatever you want others to see when interacting with you on Slack. Simply click into these fields to type in your updated name information. After you've updated your name, make sure everything is spelled correctly and that you're satisfied with the changes. Accuracy is important here so others can find and recognize you easily in the system. Once you're happy with your edits, click the Save Changes button at the bottom. This ensures that your new name information is stored and reflected immediately in Slack. After saving, your new name will now appear throughout Slack, from messages you send to notifications others receive. This small change can make a big difference in ensuring clear communication with your team. Remember, you can always return to this profile section to make further updates or tweak your display name and other details as needed. And that's it. Changing your name in Slack is a quick process, but it can hugely impact how you present yourself to your colleagues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.